Hey everyone! In this video, I will be showing you how to set up Visual Studio Code for Python. So first we need to install Python, then Visual Studio Code, and after that I'll be showing you how you can run your first Python program in it. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Python and we'll be having the official link python.org. Click it and here we'll be having the downloads option. Select this. And here we are having the latest version of Python, which is Python 3.14.2. In case if you want to download the older version of Python, just scroll down and here as you can see, looking for a specific release, we are having all the previous versions over here. So you can just click it and try downloading it, okay, from here. So in case if you're looking for the old ones. So in my case, I just want to go with the default one. So just click on here. That's it. The setup file will be getting downloaded, just 28 MB in size. So once that is done, just open it. And here we need to choose these two checkboxes, okay? Check this, and make sure that you are clicking this install now. I got setup was successful. I'll just click on close and now I'll just go to search, type command prompt and just run the command python space -- version and hit enter, and as you can see I've got Python 3.14.2. If I just type Python, we'll be getting the Python shell over here. You can like quickly run any Python commands. Just Google VS Code. We'll be having the official link from code.visualstudio.com. Just click it and here we are having the download for Windows option. Select this and the download will be getting started. It is around 119 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it and we'll be getting the setup. Just click on I accept the agreement and click on next. And this is going to be the default location where Visual Studio Code is going to get installed. If you don't have space in your local disk C, just change this to local disk D or E. So once you're done fixing the location, just click on next. And this is fine. Next. And here is an important thing. Make sure that you are checking all these checkboxes, okay? This will be super useful in case if you are directly going to open a file or folder by right clicking on it, okay? So just click on next and these are the stuff that's going to happen now. Click on install. So once everything is done, just check launch VS Code and click on finish. Now in Visual Studio Code, make sure that we are changing the font size first. So just go here to manage, click on settings, and here we are having the font size. Make sure that you're having it anywhere between 30 and 40. That's done. Let's go and open a new folder. For that, click on file, open folder. Just choose the desired location for your folder. In my case, I will just go with local disk D and create a new folder. Let me just have it as Python demo, something like this. Select that and click on select folder. That folder will be opened. It's empty now. Click on this icon and just create a new Python file. Let me name it as demo.py with a Python extension. Once you have done that, we need to install some Python extensions, okay? So here we are having the extensions. Select it and just search for Python. And here we are having the 3 official extensions of Python from Microsoft. Just install all these. Now we are good. And let's see how we can run this program. So now let me just write a simple code. Let me just go with print. So as you can see, I'm getting this autocomplete. This is because of the extensions that we installed earlier. And let me just have hello, something like this. That is fine. I'll just save it. And for running it, you can just go here and click on run Python file. And that's it. I'm getting the output. If you want to run using the terminal, you can just type Python space your file name with extension, which is demo.py. As you can see, we are getting the output here also. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. subscribe me. Thanks for watching.